Raise your hand if you've ever felt like you're in a staring contest with your textbook, and the textbook is winning. You read it once, twice, maybe even 5 times, but still you end up forgetting everything. Actually, that's not your fault. It's the system's fault. That's what schools teach. But today we're going to hack the system and give you a 3-step guide to memorize 10x faster and remember forever. Step 1. Visual encoding. Ancient warriors memorized entire scrolls of strategy by turning them into vivid mental movies. Modern neuroscience calls this visual encoding. When you read something, don't just read, turn it into a picture or a story. Your brain remembers patterns better than facts. When you vividly visualize a concept, your brain locks it in. This method was used by the great scientist Nikola Tesla. Step 2. The reality check. Now, how do you check you've actually memorized something and not just fooled yourself? You use the Feynman filter. After you study a topic, pretend you have to explain it to someone who knows nothing about it. Like a 5-year-old. If you can't explain it simply and clearly, you don't truly know it. This forces you to expose the gaps in your knowledge. You then go back, fill those gaps, and come back. Step 3. The SPY's active recall. After you've finished a section, close your book and force your brain to remember everything you just read. Ask yourself questions. What were the key terms? What were the main ideas? The struggle to retrieve the information is the very thing that strengthens the neural pathways in your brain. The more you fight to pull information from the void, the stronger the connection becomes. So here's the 3-step cheat code: visual encoding, the reality check, the SPY's active recall. With these, add the sleep trigger and focus cycle, and your memory will feel illegal. Remember, failure in the past doesn't mean failure in the future. You don't need more hours, you need smarter methods. Print this into your brain. You can memorize faster than 99% of people if you actually use this system. Don't just watch, practice tonight and you'll feel the difference tomorrow.